Okay guys, so it's Monday 30th November. This is quite a crazy day. It's actually a Monday and it's my off day, and this is what I'm up to today. Check that out. So we have recently seen the 64 scale, and right now, also recently I found out that this actually appears to be in Malaysia, hence what I'm doing here today. A very quick walkthrough and show you guys what we are looking at. Okay. Uh, oh man, really goosebumps up because the owner is kind enough to open up the hood to let me check it out earlier. It has a RB26 inside. That's freaking crazy. That's freaking nuts. The carbon fiber, right? It's actually real carbon fiber. Um, yeah, there, check it out. He left out the panels, right, the cover. He doesn't want to close it, so that it really shows you, people, that it is real carbon fiber. He tells me that he doesn't bring it to the track, so this is pure a show car, but he has gone pretty much all the way. And this, I think this is, to me, something that's really very crazy, because I don't get to really, talk to guys who own this kind of cars, and I usually that's one of the main reasons why I only stick to 64 scale. Okay, let's check out a huge ass wing at the back. All right, I love that how he pairs with the NK wheels down there. Okay, and then at the back here, check out a huge ass GD wing. Took him about 3 years to build this. Okay, and I don't know how long the era took to model this. Okay, so basically it's based on this. The major difference is the wheels. Okay, which I kind of prefer what's on that right now. I think that looks so much better, okay, compared to the BBS on the Aero 404. Okay, this is really something. Oh my god, something to behold. Check that out, man. This is freaking crazy. Oh, lovely Monday. What a lovely Monday. Okay, cool. Let's check out the front. Okay, it's close. Okay, close. Not exactly the same, but pretty close. Okay, the side view. Okay, let's check out the fuel cap. Yes, the fuel cap is there. Okay, the fuel cap is there. The wheels is really, what? Come on, error. You should have did that, man. You should have did that, error. What an error, man. What an error. Okay, we check out this side. Okay, it doesn't have the decals. Okay, on top it has the KLG auto as well. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. Okay, the indicating lights on the side. Yep, error did that as well. Okay, the detail on the front bumper, that's there as well. The pillars on the diffuser, supporting the diffuser, the intercooler. Oh man, I gotta take a look at this one more time. Oh, this angle. Damn it. Damn it. Man, it's just so freaking nice, man. It's just freaking nice. That's just crazy good, man. Okay, let's check out the GT wing at the back. Okay. That's really quite close as well. That's really quite close as well. Look at that. That is really quite close. Man, that is seriously 1 divided by 64, man. That's seriously 1 divided by 64. Let's check out the back one more time. Okay, let's see the Skyline logo, the Skyline word, the Nissan logo. Okay, the Viper even. Okay, damn. Oh, okay, cool. All right. Okay, cool. So this car actually belongs to Jason. I'm really very grateful that he's willing to share this with me today. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty much about it from me today. All right, that's pretty good. So if you ask me, yes, you should definitely have this. This is one of the best looking R33 in 64 scale now that we can get our hands on. Yeah. Okay, cool. So that's it from me today. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button, okay? Remember to hit my subscribe button, and I will be posting up photographs of these two guys on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj, and remember to hit the subscribe button, okay? So that you don't miss on any of my awesome diecast videos. Cool? Alright. Let me just... Okay, yeah, so stay safe, stay sane, take care. Bye.